So Goldgroup's in Mexico. We're a producer. The disclaimer, everybody's seen lots of these disclaimers. Please read it if you choose to. Goldgroup's story. We are a Mexican-focused operator. We have a lot of experience in Mexico. I've worked in Mexico for over 35 years. And the Luca team is there as well that we can draw on from time to time. We have 2 advanced gold assets. One is the Cerro Prieto mine. It's an operating mine, heap leach. The other is Pinos. We just brought this project in on an acquisition. It's in Zacatecas, one of the premier mining jurisdictions in Mexico. And Cerro Prieto is in the transformative phase. We are doubling production. In fact, we are about 3 weeks to 4 weeks away from finishing the construction upgrades on the crushers to allow to produce 4,500 tons plus per month. So that will give us a lot more bandwidth to produce more gold. And then Pinos is fully permitted, PEA level. Our plans there are to do a little bit of exploration, advance and upgrade the technical report, and hopefully drive it towards a production decision over the coming year. We're well funded. We have about a $26 million in our treasury, and a lot of that was raised in the last few months. Primarily, Eric Sprott is one of our major contributors to those financings. So our portfolio is there. Cerro Prieto is up in Sonora, and the Pinos is down in Zacatecas. That's a view of the open pit mine. So you see the crushers in the foreground, the central zone, as the majority of the mining in the past has occurred just after a blast. And the overview for Cerro Prieto, it's 100% owned. It's been in production since about 2013, around 120,000 ounces of gold produced since that time. We have been producing around 11,500 to 12,000 ounces annually in the past, but we're going to double that in the coming months. We hope to get the mining from primary ore up to around 24,000 ounces, and then we're going to bring in a releaching project of the heap leach pads, could add another 9,000 ounces of gold annually for about 6-7 years, depending on production rate of that heap leach, of the reprocessing. That should get us over 30,000 ounces. So here's the project, and you can see this is the heap leach pads. This is the major structure, runs through the central Union pit and goes up. We are now currently mining in this Esperanza, so we're mining this hillside. That was another open pit, cross-structure coming through, and they're meeting up at this Reina zone. That Reina zone, we've done geophysics, we're drilling it now. It looks really good. I believe this heap leach, our open pit, will extend up and encompass these 2 areas in the coming years, maybe 2-3 more years of mine life. At this point, we only have about a year of mine life ahead of us, but the exploration upside is excellent. We have been doing preliminary exploration down in here. We found the zone again. We've been trenching it, getting good results, and I expect we'll be able to develop more resources down there in the future. However, this is early stage at this point in time. Quick update on our Pinos project. So this is one we just brought into the company. It's fully permitted for construction. Located in Zacatecas, second largest mining district in Mexico, or state in Mexico. We have 29 concessions, 3,800 hectares. It's a low sulfidation epithermal gold silver project, narrow veins, high grade, multiple high grade veins and structures, good grades, 30 to 40 grams per ton in historic mining. We have a positive PEA from the previous operator of the project, and it's showing around 86,000 ounces of gold. You know, not a large resource at this point in time, but the mine would be something like 400 or 500 tons a day, underground operation, with excellent recoveries, around 90% recoveries based on metallurgical tests so far. So, reviewing a restart of Pinos, we plan to drill. We plan to get in there, upgrade the technical report, maybe to a pre-feasibility level, and based on that, we'll work it towards a production decision. The capital cost in 2018 were based around $15 million. I believe that'll be more like $20-25 million to build a mine in today's market, but that's what we want to try and do. So here's our share structure. We have 186.7 million shares issued, with 31 million warrants coming out, stock options, etc., to give a fully diluted of 31 million shares. Cash position is very good, $26 million. primarily raised in the last 2 months. There's about $2 million of gold sales there that have not been sold yet. Debt, about $10 million. So I'm the CEO. I explained my background, professional geologist, been in the game a long time, founded Luca Mining many years ago, and departed Luca about a year and a half ago to join this company. Due to time, I'll just let you read the rest of the management and directors at your leisure. Upcoming catalyst, gold growth, doubling gold growth coming up from Sierra Preto mine. We're mine expansion, advancing the Nuevo Esperanza zone, Reina zone. That's where I believe 2-3 more years of mine life can come into the project based on our exploration success so far. We're exploration expansion to the south where the new zones are coming up. We're going to be pushing Pinos forward, and we are aggressively working on new acquisitions at this point in time. So we're hoping in the next 1 to 2 months to be successful and bring new projects to the company. That's the opportunity. Currently producing 11,500 ounces. Going to increase that to over 30,000 ounces with implementing the projects I showed to you earlier. Pinos project, bring that in, advance it. We have a very good team of explorationists, mining guys who've raised lots of money in the market in the past, and we believe we've got a very good future success ahead of us. And we're going to leverage our vast experience of Mexico mining based on the people we have involved in the company to advance and potentially acquire new assets. So, wow, almost 3 minutes left, Jim. That's unusual. Anyways, thank you